You have a cube, then we're going to hit Control Spacebar to the content browser. We'll add and make a user interface blueprint widget. Rename it WBP for widget blueprint. Let's enter into it. We've got the graph and the designer view. In the designer view, let's put in a text block, drag text into there, increase the size. Let's go back to the graph view. Let's make a variable called displayed score. That will be a text. Now, we need to bind. The key here is binding that displayed score variable. And that's the key to this, translating between one blueprint to another. Now, let's make a blueprint on this cube that's going to be hit and will increase the counter. Let's make a score integer and also a displayed score as a text. That'll be a duplicate of the variable, but we will bind it to the WBP, the widget blueprint, which is UMG, Unreal Motion Graphics. Do an event begin play. This is when the simulation starts. We're going to go to create widget, and we want the WBP, search for WBP. And this is how we're going to communicate through the blueprints. We're going to add this information to the viewport. You see that drag we had to do there, return to the target. Now, let's go to the graph view, and I'm going to pull displayed score out. And then we're going to do an event tick. This is every single frame. Now, we have to get all actors of class. This is a new one, and the class is going to be cube blueprint 1, or whatever you call it. This is key. We want the 0 element, the first element, which is 0, and get the score. That's key. You see the 0 element in there. Create another widget. This time WBP. Now, see, notice we're setting the displayed score here. Another add to viewport. We're going to drag, and it makes a transition node. 2 text it adds in there for you. We'll play it, but notice that nothing gets incremented. However, you do have the large font from the Unreal Motion Graphics blueprint, so there is success already. But we need to increment the counter. You'll find this part to be a review. Then hit, we're going to get the score. Actually set it first. Drag that in. Then I want to get score and add it. Get score, and we had the plus key to add. Okay, link those together. It'll be good to go. Voila. Now we have traversed 2 blueprints, connected one element to another.